Alright, so today what we'll talk about is basically the right way to stick the wire into the terminal to basically have a secure fit for when you're installing your light switch. So essentially how this is laid out is there's like an internal plate in there that you need to put the wire into and then secure the plate to kind of pinch it together so the wire won't come out. But what happens sometimes is you'll put the wire in and it goes behind the plate, and then you'll go ahead and you'll tighten it down, and you'll think you have a secure connection because everything is the wire's in properly, but then when you go ahead and push on the wall, the wire just pops right out, and then you have problems with arcing or all sorts of other issues. So what you want to do is when you get your switch, just make sure that you can see the plate properly, and what I like to do is actually just loosen it completely. But again, don't loosen it too far because it might just completely break it and pop out. So loosen it enough to where the plate is over here. You can see it. You put the wire back in between the plate and the wall, and then you tighten it up. It's hard to do righty tighty lefty loosey from. Yep, see, I'm going the wrong way. So you tighten it right up. Tight. And then you should not be able to pull the wire out at all. So that's the proper way to make sure you got things installed. Again, if the wire pops right out, it's a sure sign that the plate needs to be pushed, or the screw needs to be loosened up so the plate goes out, and then you'll put the wire back in and then basically screw the terminal, and then the plate will push against the wall and it'll be a nice tight fit.